Hello guys, Lavender's Green is here, and it's been a while since I uploaded about room transformations. Finally, this video is about the room transformation, and this is an industrial bedroom transformation. Okay, first of all, let's start with the room before the transformations. And we have to take off the things we don't need or items that are rarely accessed. And as you can see here, the wall is damaged by a very strong double tip glue for stick the poster on the wall, but no worry, we can repair it with wall putty and then paint it again. For this video, I'm feeling so sorry because I can't show you the process of the detail, but I will show you every details of the parts of every stuff, so that I hope it will help you to understand every steps of we made those stuff. And for the industrial style, the vibe of the room must be combination of black or gray, and may also be a little mixed with the white, and as well as furniture made of wood materials and warm wood color. And I like to know if you really need a video about how to make those stuff like tables, sofas and others. I will try my best to show them for you all. And the good things about making your own stuff, such furnitures, that we can adjust the size of the items just according to the size of the place or our place. And I highly suggest you guys to make your own space based on what you need. Mas Gi, nyalakan. Pal, lampu pal.
Rokok lagi itu. Siapa rokok? Mati. Nah, ya.
Kita enjoy. For the staff placements, we can place cabinets and shelves in the back side of the doors so they do not invert when we gather with friends in the room. LED light is also the important one for creating a warm atmosphere in the room. And as you know that I have done so many of room transformation video, you can click on the link above or in the descriptions below. So everyone, thank you for watching the video. I'd like to know about what you think when you watch my video, and you can type your thought on the comments below. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye. Bye bye.